Hi, welcome to Gianni Yang channel. Today we're gonna making yogurt. Easy homemade yogurt without the instant pot. Making homemade yogurt is easy. All you need is 1 can of condensed milk, any brand you like, 4 cups of whole milk, room temperature milk, not cold milk, room temperature, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and if you want thinner yogurt, you add in 2 cups of water. At the end, we'll put in the 1 can of store-bought yogurt. Then we start to pour into the mold. Super easy and quick. Beside the mixture, you need this type of jars. You can find on Amazon to store your yogurt. We're gonna cook everything together. Turn on the heat very low, and we're gonna dissolve the condensed milk in there. Make sure the temperature reach only to 110 degrees. Turn off, and then add in a cup of yogurt. Yogurt is the last one to put in here. And you don't want this to be too boiling either, otherwise the milk gonna separate itself. We want it warm enough to dissolve the condensed milk. Gonna add in 1 can of regular water. Sau đó mình bỏ một hũ da ua vô. And over here I have some plain water. I'm gonna cook this until it's boiled and turn off. Now I'm gonna push this to one side, and I'm gonna use this here. We're not gonna cook, but we're gonna just show you how I'm gonna pour this in. Pour in the hot water right away. Saran wrap it. Just help keep the air tight in. And close the lid. I'm gonna bring this to put nearby the heater so it always warm until tomorrow morning. So about 12 hours long. Okay. Kèo lớn. This is the store-bought one. And this one here, I make it last week with more water. Để làm da ua tại nhà, các bạn cần một hũ sữa đặc. Sữa tươi có đường, hiệu nào cũng được. Mình đổ sữa đặc ra, mình pha với một lon nước sôi thật sôi. Bốn ly sữa tươi nguyên chất. Bỏ sữa tươi vô liền sau khi sữa đặc đã tan. Sau đó mình bỏ một hũ da ua vô. Quậy cho cái này tan hết. Make sure this all dissolved. So the water just boiled. We're gonna pour this over, but not to submerge over the rim of the lid, otherwise the water will seep in. This up with foil, lid over it, and we leave this in a cool place. Giờ đây mình thử da ua mình. Kèo lớn.